Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with the VR, and this VR is for Ms. Shirl. Sorry. And oh my goodness, so she is asking for a 4x6 index card, and she does want something to say .com. I couldn't fit no more .coms, so I hope she accepts this, and I know she loves butterflies. And there you go. And she loves the color purple, and she is a very spiritual and religious person. So I hope she likes my little 4x6. And you guys, she had extended it till the 17th, and I think I might be I might be a little behind, so I'm still gonna send it to her. I know she would still appreciate it. Anyways, you guys, thank you for taking the time to watch, or thank you for watching. Sorry, you guys, it's been a while since I've made videos, so I'm a little rusty again. Anyways, thank you again, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.